Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to make Siri announce your calls on iPhone. So today in front of me is the iPhone 12 with the iOS 17.4, but it really doesn't matter which iPhone you have or which version of the iOS you have, it is all going to work the same on every iPhone. So it really doesn't matter which iPhone you have, it is going to work the same as on mine right now. Sorry. So you can make Siri announce your calls. So Siri is going to say something like, Andrew is calling, or something like that. So if you want to make it happen, you want to open settings, then swipe down a little bit, go to the Siri and search, and then go to the announce calls. And you have something from the start is going to be set to never. So Siri is not going to announce any calls. So you can choose the headphones only, so it will announce incoming calls when headphones are connected. You can also select headphones and car, and you can select always. So it means that always the calls are going to be announced. And when second generation AirPods and some Beats headphones are connected, you can answer a call without saying, "Hey Siri." So, but these two only work with second generation AirPods and some Beats, and you can choose between those four settings whether you like to announce some calls, or you never want to have it, or you want to have it in certain situations. So these are those settings and how to get to it again. So open settings, swipe down, go to Siri and search, go to announce calls, and here select the one that you want to. So I'm gonna leave it never because I don't want to have it. So yeah, this is it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye.